Welcome back into 13 News This Morning. We're joined today with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And today, it's all about breakfast because September is actually National Breakfast Month. Now, we're starting off with something quick and easy that you can take on the go with you. And it's my favorite color, green. We are making a soy green smoothie, and Charlene herself made a quick modification. So she's going to tell us a little bit about that later on. Charlene, how do we get this?
All right. This recipe is in the Soy Foods Guide.
Okay.
And you two
Which is free.
Yeah, it's free. That's right. And you two picked this recipe out and thought we should try it.
Yep.
So I've been working on it, and as you said, I modified it a little bit because the original recipe in the Soy Food Guide uses just the frozen vegetable and fruit. I thought it needed a little bit of soy milk in there, just to give it a little bit more of the smoothie. So you're going to add 1 cup of soy milk. I love these little on-the-go packages that you can take.
So cute.
Right, that you can take and give to your kids when they're at the ball diamond for something cold.
Perfect.
Get it cold. Then you're going to add our edamame, and it says frozen, so we want this to be cold, so everything is frozen. You're going to add the mango.
Oh, okay. I thought this was pineapple. It's mango. Okay.
Pineapple's over here.
Oh, okay.
And you're going to add the pineapple. And one of the things that I did, you could get these fruits frozen in the frozen food section.
Yeah.
But I got fresh and then froze it.
Oh,
and you have so much flavor. And if you want to add more of the fruit, more of a vegetable, since you're making it, you can do that. Now, this is what makes it so green, and that is our frozen spinach. And you're going to add this, and this is just ground ginger.
Okay.
Fresh ginger root that I just ground.
Well,
Ginger is good for you.
I thought this was just leftover in here. Okay, so this is actual, okay.
Yeah, and this will give it a little spice. So if you'd rather not use that.
Oh, we like spice.
You like the spice.
Raina likes a little bite.
Now, because it's frozen, it takes a little bit to mix that all up. So I would start it, do it some more.
There it goes. We're almost there.
Almost there, but I would actually do it a little bit more because you want it to be, you see the one that you
I don't like chunks.
Is really blended in a pretty green. And then I put it in a cup here and served it with some fresh pineapple on the side that gives it a nice little twist.
Oh, we're trying it?
This is so good.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's like I can definitely skip the gym for a couple of times because I'm so healthy.
I know. This is so good.
I love this. Now, Charlene, tomorrow you're actually going to be at the Kansas State Fair.
I am.
And if you see Charlene, you might get something in return.
That's right.
So we got some freebies.
Right. We'll be in the Domestic Arts Building, and we're demoing at 11 o'clock. And we have free measuring cups, measuring spoons for everybody. Lots of free recipes. I'm going to bring you yours next month when I come.
That's okay. It's
so
always handy.
Here's the thing I love about it. First of all, it's free, right? But we've seen them before. It's amazing quality, but you never have enough measuring cups because I swear they disappear in my cabinets. I don't know where they go.
And then, Charlene, really quick, where can you get more of these recipes?
Go to kansassoybeans.org, call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and ask for the September recipes.
All right, perfect. And we'll be right back after the break.